used to. I admit, girl, yeah, I just use you. I admit there's not what I'm used to. I turn up, but I never abuse you. Whoa.
Yo, what's good? It's Gio back again with another video, something a little bit different. A brand by the name of Manière De Voir. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a UK based brand. They were kind enough to send me 2 outfits, so I thought let me unbox them with you and share with you my first look at the items and my first, try on of the items. So it's kind of like a try on haul. But yeah, I'm gonna keep it very real. I'm grateful for the brand sending me pieces, but if I don't like something, I'm gonna state why I don't like it, because that's what you're meant to do. You've got to keep it real. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and also check out my Instagram where I post fits and other stuff daily. Got a lot of content on there. I've had Instagram way before I had YouTube, but yeah, let's get into it. So the first item I picked out was this blood red trucker jacket, which has a nice boxy fit to it, as you can see. And yeah, I really like the details on the buttons. They're not like cheap, they're not like cheap shitty buttons that look like and feel like they're gonna pop off. It's really subtle, if you're wearing it, you won't be able to see it. So it's a nice clean look, and yeah, I really like the colour. The colour's different, I like it. It's not just a basic red, As for the back, it's got this nice tapered black stripe. It just gives it another little detail, another little something to make it stand out. It's also got a brand name at the top of the jacket. I don't really like brand names, on the jacket. It's a bit too loud and a bit too too much like a billboard, but when it's clean and subtle like this, I don't really mind. You can get away with it, But yeah, I think this was £50. And yeah, that's a reasonable price, £50. It's kind of like the same price you'd pay for a vintage Levi one, But yeah, clean, simple, very nice. I'll be dropping a lookbook this week with some of these fits on, but I will show you some looks in this video, just not as detailed, On to the second jacket. We got another trucker jacket here. This is more like a suede material, but it's quite thin. But I'm not sure how well this will do in the sun, so this will probably be for them, them cooler nights when you're out and about and it's warm, but it's not too hot, so you can get away with wearing something like this. But yeah, I went XL with it. I always seem to size up with trucker jackets just to give it that nice fit. Yeah, this is quite heavy as well. I quite like that. Although it's summer, I know lightweight jackets are the best, but this is a bit heavy, not too heavy. But yeah, it's clean, no branding whatsoever. I really like the silver buttons, how they stand out. Nice little detail engraved into the buttons, with the brand. And they're thick and sturdy buttons. I know I'm going on a lot about buttons and that, but trust me, man, like years ago I've had like jackets where buttons have just popped off and shit, and it's just, it's not fun, man. You don't walk around with some missing buttons and that. It's just not on. But yeah. Alright, so that's the 2 jackets they sent me. Let's get on to the trousers. By the way, I have like ripped it open. I just didn't rip it open on camera because you wouldn't be able to hear me. All you'd hear is all that. So obviously I opened it when I weren't filming. But yeah, first pair of trousers we got here are these black cargos. They're kind of giving me a bit of a Rick Owens vibe going on here with the long strings and the zippers and mini cargo pockets at the front. It's like a nice thin cotton material, nice and light. Although it's black, you can still wear it in summer. You can still wear black in summer, that's the thing. As long as your materials are light and thin, you're all good. But yeah, I like these, clean, simple. Kind of like my Rick Owens dark shadow pants I've got. Obviously with materials, big difference, but I'm keeping it real with you lot, because a lot of YouTubers, I see them reviewing clothing and they'll be saying that they love them and they really like them, but they're just lying for the money. But I will never do that, I'll always keep it real. But yeah, onto the last pair of trousers. We got here these nice, thin, pinstripe joggers. Yeah, some nice, like what else can you say about pinstripe joggers? They're just nice, simple, clean, nice loose fit to them. I actually got a XL in these because If I grabbed these in the L, I know they would have been too slim fitted, and I'm trying to go for that, you know, that loose kind of fit. So yeah. And these were only £30. These joggers were £30, so very affordable, man. Very affordable. Definitely check them out. So yeah, that's basically it. I know it was a quick one. It was just 2 outfits, but you know, I'm not gonna force the video to be 10 minutes just to make it longer. You know, I'm not on that. That ain't me. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, because that shit matters. You know, rank my video up. Let's get the rankings up there. If you like the video, like it. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'm trying to drop videos 2 times a week. Sometimes, obviously, due to a busy lifestyle, it don't happen, but I'm trying, you know, I'm trying. Any video requests you have, just leave them down below in the comments. I'm gonna drop a little bit this week. I'll probably include some of these pieces. I've got some more packages arriving from a brand from Tokyo. I'm gonna do another unboxing, unrevealing of that brand. But yeah, until the next video, stay safe, stay productive. One.
That's all on my friend. That's all on my friend. Ay, no nigga wanna get back. Brand new chopper got kickback. Ay, poppin' these personal tic tac. Keep a stick in reach, I can't let.